Hello, welcome back to a GSM workshop. Just gonna do a quick video here. I had a problem with the Volkswagen bus getting the lower shock absorber mount off the rear axle area. It's totally seized in there. Well, I'll just do a video how I'm going to attempt to get it out. So let me turn you around and show you what I'm going to do and my process. Okay, here we are. This is the rear axle. I started to take off the rear brake assembly. It's totally rotted, and I'm going to just put a whole new brake system on the back on both sides. Cost of about, I don't know, 400 Canadian dollars for both sides. Not too bad, but it'll be a brand new braking system with new slave cylinders. It's going to be all new brake lines, etc., etc. But this is the bolt in question, and the bottom of the shock absorber mounts on here, and of course the shock absorber comes up here, and it mounts to a top one up here. The top one came out really easy. This bottom one, I got the nut off the end, this end here. The nut came off fairly easy, but I could not unscrew the bolt at all holding the shock absorber on. The shock absorber mounts on this side here. So I ended up cutting it off. I tried welding the nut back onto here, and this would not budge. It's totally set in there. I've tried banging it and etc., etc. So what I'm going to do is try and heat it all up. I don't actually own a oxyacetylene equipment in the shop, but I do own this system here. I've had it a very long time. You have it's called, it's not propane, but it's a Mapp gas, and I have an oxygen cylinder. Now the oxygen doesn't last very long, but it's normally good enough for doing heating up to get nuts and bolts off. And in the background you can see the old brake drum and shoes which fell apart. So let's give it a try and see if I can show you how it goes. So if I can put this down and point you in the general direction. Bear with me here. I think you can see this is where I'm working on. I don't want to be too close, or maybe some sparks flying, and there's going to be some loud banging as well in a second. So I may edit this video. Let's get this started up. So first thing to do is turn on the gas. There we go. A little bit more. That's enough. Now the oxygen. Got to do it slowly because it will tend to blow itself out. Oh, like that. A little bit slower this time. Too much. Go slowly here. Bring it up to a nice flame, and I'll heat this up as hot as I can get it. That's what it does. And the idea being the casting will expand more than the bolt goes through it, and to loosen it up. I want to get this as hot as I can possibly can. get it. I think let's get some good wax here so it does. Oh, it's going. Let's get a punch and I'll punch it out. There it goes. And where are we? And I call that a success. So for future, when you rebuild these units or around here, I always use, when I put the bolts back in together, I always use either like a copper grease or a silver slip grease, anti-seize compounds. Makes life so much easier in the future when you come to take these parts and replace them, and the next owners will really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you for watching on that. It's just a short video of how I get bolts out. I have yet to have a bolt that defeats me personally, so thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. I want to hit that 600 subscriber figure, and hopefully 1,000 subscriber figure in not too distant future. Lots of videos to come on these little interesting projects. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.